Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use offline mode in Google Drive on your PC step by step. This feature allows you to access and edit your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files even when you don't have an internet connection. It's especially useful if you travel frequently, experience unstable internet, or simply want access to important files at all times. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Keep in mind that offline mode works best in Google Chrome, so make sure you're using that browser. Next, go to Google Drive and sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Drive, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. A small menu will appear. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open the Google Drive settings window. In the General section, scroll down until you find the option called Offline. You'll see a checkbox next to the setting that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Click the checkbox to enable offline mode. If this is your first time using the feature, Google may ask you to install the Google Docs offline extension for Chrome. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and allow the extension to be installed. After that, Google Drive will begin preparing your account for offline access. Depending on the number of files in your account, this process may take a few moments. Once offline mode is enabled, your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files will automatically be available even when you don't have an internet connection. This means you can continue working on important documents while offline, and any changes you make will automatically sync the next time you connect to the internet. When you're finished, simply close the settings window. And that's it. You've successfully enabled offline mode in Google Drive on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Drive tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.